Hello you Vikings, my name's Sebastian and welcome to Sharp Programming. Now today I'm going to be showing you how you can change an image on mouse over effect. Like when you hover over an image, it will literally change the image and not just change, effects on it. This is a bit complicated and all it really requires for you is two images. Now I've taken a logo I designed for a company like this, and I've taken one that is with color and one that's black and white. So what we're going to do first is we're going to declare this image. Now, this is the document that we worked on for the last two tutorials. So there's still a bit of existing criteria for things in here, but nothing that will affect this image, thankfully. So we'll give it a class first, and last time we learned about CSS. So we're just going to call it image, and for that we're going to go in here and we're going to say .img, because this is a very large image, so we want it to be let's say 480 pixels wide. There you go, that should do it. That would set that straight, and then we search for it and we'll take image number 2 JPG. This is the black and white image. We'll take that first, and then when you hover over it, it will literally get color as you hover over it. So we say on mouse over, there you go, this dot search. And then you use the not full, I don't know what these are called, look it up, I don't know, and it will change to image 1. This is the one with color, and then we say on mouse out, go, and again this search and the little braces, and we'll put it back to number 1. Now this just means that when you hover over it, when you mouse over it, it will change to the one with color, and then when your mouse leaves the area of the image, it will change back to image number 1, as in the one. Oh darn, it's supposed to change back to number 2. There you go. Okay, let's see if I've done it right, or I'm going to be very embarrassed. Okay, so here we go. The image is right. Oh shit, spoiler, you didn't see that. So the image is right there, and we hover over it, and as soon as we enter it, bam, it changes to color, and then without again. And you can do this with any image. It doesn't have to be an image in the the same image, or any, you can just change it to anything really. You can change it to a drawn paint.net image of a cock and balls. Like, there's no limits, the sky's the limits. So aim high. Yeah, again, on onmouseover you change it to the one with color. On onmouseout you change it back to black and white. And what we did here, we changed the width of it, and because it is not told to ignore proportions of the image, it also scales the height. So, well, there you go. That would be that. It's a pretty simple thing when you figure it out, and it works brilliantly. Now, something else that I found, if you want to do like a bit of transition, you should. Okay, wait, actually. Yeah, so what you do is, and what I've done, is you do this. You do a hover effect, yeah? So normally you go transition, did I spell that right? Yeah, opacity, and then let's say 0.3 seconds. There you go. That should do that. So we have set an opacity of 0.83, whatever. And then when we hover over it, we have an opacity of 1. Let's see if this worked. And then, whew, it's a bit of an effect, yeah? You can do an ease in and out effect. There you go. Look at that. That's a bit of a transition, yeah? We can all agree on that. Now, for different browsers, you're going to need different lines of coding for this transition. You can look those up there. That would take a long time to do. Maybe if you'd be interested, I could go through this with all the different kind of browsers, but literally it would take a million years. So now that's a bit of a transition, and I like this. It does create a little bit of charm, doesn't it? A little bit of charm, yeah. So anyway, so that is that. You can, that just adds a little bit of transition. I like that. Just makes it look a bit more professional than just, straight up changing it with no transition at all. It could be a bit confusing. So that would be that. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this helped. If you did, please do go ahead and comment and like it, and I mean, do grotesque things to it. You're free to do whatever. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.